MT Driver is a highly technological electronic driver perfect for tightening abutments and healing caps. It can be conveniently charged from any USB-C source. A 50-minute charge will be enough for a whole day of work. This cordless driver has a bidirectional motor with a variable pre-selected torque of 20 or 30 Newton centimeters that can be switched with the push of the button. It's supplied with 2 hexagonal bits, long and short, and a universal latch adapter that fits every motor mount driver. An angulated head of 90 degrees guarantees accurate torque transfer and can be removed and sterilized in an autoclave.